Welcome back to TecnoGuias. In this video, I am going to show you how you can know to which device you have logged into WhatsApp. The first is go to the WhatsApp normal or WhatsApp business. Okay, in the upper right, three dots appear. We can see linked device. Enter here and we can see more information. In my case, I logged out, but this was my computer. You have give it a name, but there is an active section by section. You can log out or log in again. Thank you for watching this video. We can see in this form. And that's all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe or turn on yes, and don't forget to comment us.